Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Ninja Air Fryer Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen companions for anyone looking to elevate their air frying game, offering a treasure trove of recipes designed to make weeknight dinners a breeze and impress your guests with minimal effort. This cookbook is your ultimate guide to unlocking the full potential of your Ninja Air Fryer, transforming everyday ingredients into culinary masterpieces with simple, step-by-step instructions and mouth-watering results that will have you ditching your old cooking methods for good. Number 5. WMKGG 12 Square Air Fryer Liner Set. Introducing the WMKGG 12-inch Square Air Fryer Liner Set. This set is designed to make your cooking easier and cleaner. Crafted from high-quality, non-stick PTFE-coated fiberglass, these liners are reusable and can withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit without any odor. Each package includes 3 pieces in 3 different styles: mesh, perforated, and solid. They are all 12 by 12 inches, providing enough for all your cooking needs. The mesh mat is ideal for cooking smaller items, preventing them from falling through. It also helps filter oil, simplifying your cleanup. The perforated mat ensures even air circulation for perfectly cooked food, while the solid mat protects your oven or can be used as a versatile liner. Cleanup is a breeze with these dishwasher-safe liners. They eliminate the mess from air fryers, making your cooking experience even more enjoyable. What we like? This set offers incredible versatility with 3 distinct liner types: mesh, perforated, and solid. If you're tired of scrubbing your air fryer basket after every use and want to easily cook smaller items without them falling through, this is the perfect solution. It makes cleanup a breeze and allows for even cooking, making it ideal for busy home cooks. What people say. Great parchment liners for my Ninja Air Fryer Flip. They're a little oversized for the basket and tray, but folding one edge about 1/2 inch makes them fit perfectly. I love that I don't have to rip or cut parchment anymore. They keep the air fryer much cleaner and save me so much scrubbing. Fits perfect for my Ninja Dual Air Fryer. It has holes to circulate and not stick. I use it mostly for baking. These disposable air fryer liners are wonderful in the Ninja 5-in-1 air fryer. I noticed a few scratches showing up in the basket, so started using the parchment papers to help protect the finish. They are working great. Number 4. The official Ninja Foodi Complete Cookbook for Beginners. Discover the ultimate guide to mastering your Ninja Foodi. This cookbook is designed specifically for beginners, making complex cooking simple. Experience the revolutionary pressure cooker that also crisps your food to perfection. Achieve delicious textures and flavors like never before. This is your expert companion for all things Ninja Foodi. Learn to navigate its functions with confidence and ease. Explore a world of culinary possibilities. From pressure cooking and air frying to dehydrating and beyond, this guide covers it all. Get started with easy-to-follow recipes tailored for beginners. You'll be creating amazing meals in no time. Trust the official source for your Ninja Foodi cooking journey. This cookbook is your key to unlocking delicious results. What we like? This cookbook is your ultimate starting point for mastering the Ninja Foodi. If you're new to multi-cookers and want to explore pressure cooking and air frying with simple, effective recipes, this is the one for you. It covers a wide range of functions, making it perfect for anyone looking to simplify their cooking routine. What people say. This cookbook is a great companion to the Ninja Air Fryer, offering a wide variety of recipes that are easy to follow. The recipes are well explained with clear instructions and helpful tips, making it easy for beginners to get started with their air fryer. It includes a good range of recipes, from appetizers to desserts, all designed to make the most of the Ninja Air Fryer's capabilities. Number 3. Ninja Foodi Grill Cookbook for Beginners. Unlock the secrets to perfect indoor grilling with this beginner-friendly cookbook. Discover how to achieve delicious results every time. Explore 75 mouth-watering recipes designed for your Ninja Foodi Grill. From juicy steaks to crispy vegetables, there's something for everyone. Enjoy the best of both worlds with recipes that leverage both grilling and air frying functions. Get restaurant-quality meals right in your kitchen. This guide is specifically crafted for those new to indoor grilling. We make it simple to achieve perfection with easy-to-follow instructions. Trust the official source for your Ninja cooking adventures. This cookbook is your essential companion for culinary success. Elevate your cooking skills and impress your family and friends. Achieve grilling perfection with every dish you create. What we like. If you love the taste of grilled food but prefer the convenience of indoor cooking, this cookbook is a must-have. It focuses on achieving perfect indoor grilling and air frying results. For those who want to enjoy smoky flavors year-round without the hassle of an outdoor grill, this guide offers delicious and straightforward recipes. What people say. This book has inspiring recipes. In fact, I just realized that it does also dehydrate. If you're going to have this appliance in your home, this book is a good thing to have along with it. There are so many Ninja books out there that are pure junk. This is the book. Get this one for the Foodi grill. Number 2. Ninja Air Fryer Cookbook for Beginners. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this beginner-friendly cookbook. Discover over 75 delicious recipes designed for faster, healthier, and crispier meals. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods with less oil and more flavor. These recipes make healthier eating simple and satisfying. Achieve perfectly crispy results for everything from fries to chicken. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to get that satisfying crunch. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your meals. These recipes are designed for busy beginners, offering speed and simplicity. Explore a wide variety of culinary creations, from appetizers to desserts. There's something for everyone to love in this extensive collection. This cookbook is your essential companion for mastering air frying. It provides clear instructions and mouth-watering recipes for beginners. What we like. This cookbook is designed to help you achieve those perfectly crispy, healthier fried foods you crave. If you're looking to make your favorite fried dishes lighter and quicker, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy guilt-free indulgence with a focus on speed and health. What people say. Good recipes and seems easy. Nicely illustrated and pictures and print is nice. This guide solves that problem nicely. I have made many of these recipes, all tasty and easy to follow. He loves how easy it is and sorted by different type of food. Highly recommend for those who are new with cooking. Number 1. Ninja Foodi 2-Basket Air Fryer Cookbook. Discover the full capabilities of your Ninja Foodi 2-Basket Air Fryer. This cookbook is your guide to mastering its functions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you'll find recipes that are simple to follow and incredibly delicious. Enjoy a wide variety of dishes with ease. Explore more than just air frying. Learn to dehydrate, roast, bake, reheat, and more with straightforward instructions. We've curated easy and tasty recipes designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable. Get ready to impress with every meal. This cookbook is the perfect partner for your kitchen appliance. It provides everything you need to create amazing meals. From quick snacks to full meals, master every function your device offers. Elevate your home cooking with this essential resource. What we like. This cookbook is tailored for the unique capabilities of the Ninja Foodi 2-Basket Air Fryer. If you own this specific model and want to maximize its potential for cooking multiple items simultaneously or creating complete meals, this is your go-to resource. It caters to both beginners and experienced users looking for diverse recipes. What people say. This cookbook is a great companion to the Ninja Air Fryer, offering a wide variety of recipes that are easy to follow. The recipes are well organized and cover a range of meal types, from breakfast to desserts, making it versatile for everyday cooking. It provides clear instructions and helpful tips for using the air fryer effectively, ensuring delicious results every time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.